Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva background generator. Go to Canva and after opening new Canva project, go to uploads and after uploading your image, drag it to the design. Let's increase the size and go to edit and click on BG generator and try to describe the background that you want to make. For example, let's make urban street. Click generate. And here is the results. The results are perfect. And you can choose any background you like. And you can generate again if you don't like these results. Let's make generate again. And you can match the color of the person with the color of the background by clicking here and click balance to relight and click done. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.